Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be taking a look at an API called Subdomain Scan. So what this API does is it takes a domain and uses different techniques to check different subdomains that belong to this domain you put in, and it gives us back the results of those subdomains, including a few other information such as the status code and IP address. Let's check this tool out. Let's try this out on google.com. So we have our results here, and this just brings out different subdomains. We have admanager.google.com, and this gives the IP address and the alias and the status code. So this gives lots of information about that subdomain, not just the result of the subdomain. So let's check another one here. Let's check some subdomain information for rapidapi.com. Then you can do the basic things here. If you want a code snippet to use in your code, you can copy the code snippets for different types of codes here and use that externally in your own code or your process. So let's try this out. So we have our results here, and we have different subdomains here. We have blog.rapidapi.com. We have cdn.rapidapi.com. And this tells you the server each of these subdomain uses, and it also gives IP address information about that subdomain. So we see org.rapidapi.com gives us a 404 error code. That means we can't browse this subdomain. Probably we need to be logged in to access this particular subdomain. So this gives you lots of information about the subdomain. So if you are doing security tests or bug bounty hunting, you can easily be able to know your targets and know which targets to prioritize when checking for vulnerabilities in a website, for example. So this is a very cool tool you can use to check for subdomains. You can easily implement this tool in your own process as a penetration tester or a security investigator. That's Subdomain Scan. To start using this tool, come over to pricing and subscribe for free and start using this tool for free. So I'll leave a link to this in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you on that. And don't forget to also follow Hailbytes on LinkedIn to get more information about things like this. And I'll see you in the next video.